In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video in Softr. This simple process is designed to take less than 5 minutes and can greatly enhance the way you present content within your Softr applications. So let's dive straight in. We'll begin by opening your web browser. Now, in the search bar, type in Softr. As you search, you should see the official Softr website appear in your results. Go ahead and click on that link to access the site. Once you're on the Softr homepage, the next step is to log in. You should find the login button easily, usually at the top right corner. Click it and enter your credentials to access your account. Now, with that done, you'll land on your Softr dashboard. From here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options and layouts, especially if you're new to Softr. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of your applications. Select the application where you'd like to embed your YouTube video. After selecting, you'll need to navigate through the settings to find the specific page where you want the video to appear. It could be your home page or any other relevant page within your application. Take some time to consider where this video would have the most impact and be most beneficial for your viewers. Once you're on the right page, look for a small plus icon, usually found next to sections of your page. Clicking this allows you to add new elements. You're going to add a new element to your page, so click on that plus icon. Now, a menu will appear. It will have various categories, and you want to click on Static and then select Others. This is where you'll find the various media elements offered by Softr. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct options, since these will dictate how media is handled on your page. Now, within the Others section, find Simple Video. This is the selected widget you'll be using to host your YouTube video. Click on Simple Video and then click the plus icon to add it to your page. Once the video widget is part of your page, you'll be able to customize it. You will need to input the URL of your YouTube video here. This is the core of integrating video into your Softr application. Copy the link of your desired YouTube video and paste it into the URL field provided in the video settings. It's always a good idea to double-check that the link is correct before finalizing your customization. And there you have it, a YouTube video successfully added to your Softr page. In just a few simple steps, you've enriched your application's content with interactive video, providing a better experience for your users. Keep experimenting and enhancing your application with these tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.